Rational exponents. Index notation is a shorthand way of writing repeated multiplication. For example, we can contract 2 times 2 times 2 to 2 cubed, and 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 to 5 to the power 4. These are things that you should be aware of from earlier study. There are some index laws that you should be aware of. The multiplication law says if we have a to the power m and we multiply it by a to the power n, then we get a to the power m plus n. So when multiplying, we add the indices. As an example, 2 cubed times 2 to the 4 is 2 to the 7. Please note the base needs to be the same. When we write something in index form, such as 2 cubed, this is the base and this is the index or power or exponent. Upon division, a to the m divided by a to the n, we subtract the indices. Note once again the base a is the same throughout. So 5 to the 6 divided by 5 squared is 5 to the power 4. There's the power of a power law. A to the power m then raised to the power n is a to the m times n. For example, if we have 3 squared and we cube it, then we get 3 to the 6 because 2 times 3 is 6. There's the zero index law. A to the 0 is always 1 for any a that satisfies this criteria. It has to be a positive number. I've got example a to the 0 is 1. That's a little bit of a mistake. For example, 3 to the 0 is 1, and I'll correct that in the notes. And then we have the negative index law. A to the negative n is 1 divided by a to the n. Note that that can be used to move a negative index on the bottom onto the top as well. For example, 3 to the negative 2 means 1 over 3 squared, and then we can evaluate that because 3 squared means 3 times 3, so that's 1 over 9. There are a couple of other laws that you may have come across, such as ab to the power n is a to the n times b to the n, and that a divided by b to the n is a to the n divided by b to the n.